talk to you guys about stocks. I know it's not your average video that you get from me, but this is what we're doing today. It's my channel. I can do what I want to do, and you can't do anything about it, okay? But subscribe. You notice that little button illuminated when I said the word subscribe? Did you see the button? So today I want to talk to you guys about Apple just released their Vision Pro headphone goggles and everything, right? And I heard once before there was a thing where if you purchased the first iPad, I think it was like $900 or $300 or so. But instead of purchasing the very first iPad that was made, that was introduced to the world, instead of buying that first iPad, if you were to purchase stock within Apple with that same amount of money, the $900, the $300 or whatever it was, there was a thing where they said that you could have purchased, I want to say like 100 iPads maybe a year later or within some type of time frame. I'm not sure. Want it. I truly want it. I would love to have this a part of my life. Who wouldn't? And make sure that you guys subscribe to my buddy Thomas. I will put something on the screen here so you can find his channel really easy, and you can see his information in the description, right? You can click and go right to his channel because he's going to do an unboxing February 2nd, and I'm sure he's going to be talking about this Apple Vision Pro headset, whatever it is, you know, a lot on his channel. So make sure you follow my buddy Thomas, okay? Life with Tech is his company, you know, commercials over, okay? I can't remember exactly what all the facts were, but now that Apple's coming out with this Vision Pro headset, which is kind of new. I mean, there's headsets, there's Oculus, I guess, right? When it comes to the headset, let's say I buy stock, you know, and you're like, yo, handy dandy, how does this fit? And I was like, I'm trying to make it fit. I'm trying to make this fit into a handy dandy channel to where it's almost like with buying stock. If I was to purchase stock within Milwaukee, you guys know me as the Milwaukee Man. Well, some people refer to me as the Milwaukee Man at job sites and things of that nature. And I'm always kind of promoting Milwaukee, right? But, you know, I wanted to get into buying some stocks, but here's where I'm making this video for the simple fact that I don't know what I'm doing. Honestly, I watched a few videos and I feel like people are always talking over my head and I don't understand exactly what I need to be doing or even what type of trader I am, right? There's different types of traders I have learned so far. Once again, as I gave you the example of the iPad, you know, now that the Vision Pro is around, now that Milwaukee has come out with this new line of tools, should I buy stock based upon a product that a company has introduced to the world? You know, I asked ChatGPT and ChatGPT was like, you know, I'm not your stock philosopher. I don't have those answers for you. And it gave me some information, of course, that was helpful, but not really helping me, right? That's why I'm reaching out to you, the YouTube community. You know, hopefully I get one of you stock guys that really truly understand stocks and you can kind of help me. In my description below here on YouTube, I have my phone number. It's my Google Voice number. It's not a number that I answer all the time, but text me first and, you know, set it up to where we can have a conversation. Will I pay for a consultation? Maybe, yeah, you know, depends on if the price is right, but I truly want to understand how stocks are traded and if I should possibly be in a place of trying to buy stock in regards to the Apple Vision Pro headset that I talked about, or in regards to the place of Milwaukee or even DeWalt. You know, I don't hate DeWalt. I don't want you guys to feel like I hate DeWalt, but it's just not my brand, right? But if the stock is good, this is where I want to purchase and buy stock. So once again, if you know of a person, if you have a friend who knows about stock and you have a person around you that understands stock, right? Send them this video, you know, share it with them. I want to say thanks for watching. I'll talk to you guys in the next video. Why do I say so much? Golly. But subscribe. You notice that little button illuminated when I said the word subscribe? Did you see the button illuminate when I said subscribe?